Unfortunately, it's not as easy as it should be to filter multi-select dropdowns. That is, dropdowns like this where you can select multiple options from each dropdown. It's still possible. Here's how to do it. So here in my sample spreadsheet, I have the sample table with a list of names and tags. And the tags are a multi-select dropdown. So I can select any number of elements for any of the dropdowns. So let's just go ahead and select all of them there. And you're just going to get this one. And this one. What I want to do is filter to only show all the rows that have the tag D. So let's clear this, select D. And we can immediately see the problem. It's only showing the rows that only have the D tag, not all rows that have the D tag at all. This is because when you use filter by values, it considers every unique combination to be its own value. So D is a value, but so is DA, and so is CABD, and so is ACD. Those are all independent discrete values. Not what I'm looking for. Instead, I'm going to change it from filter by values to filter by condition. And here I'm going to use text contains. Now here I can type in whichever one of the tags I want. And here it shows all, what do I have? All six elements that have D as any one of its tags. Obviously, this is less convenient than using filter by values because we don't just have a nice list of all of the possible values. You'll have to have that looking at the data validation or somewhere else. But type in whatever value, whatever tag you're wanting to filter by in the text contains for the filter by condition, and that'll work for you. I hope this helps.